Elevated living starts with the right piece of land. Space, privacy, and nature exactly where you need them. Almost 2 acres in Tres Ríos de Osa, panoramic views of the Pacific, the Térraba River below, and jungle in every direction. A natural canvas ready to build, ready to bring your vision to life. Legal ASADA water, electricity, high-speed fiber-optic internet already in place. Here, life moves differently. Swim in nearby rivers, explore the waterfalls around, or simply slow down and breathe. It's not just peaceful, it's connected. An international, family-friendly community, nearby schools, nature all around. Only 15 minutes to Orochal, 25 minutes to Ovita and Marino Ballena National Park. Beaches, dining, and essentials within easy reach. Build a home, create a retreat, invest in something real. Some places you pass through, others you stay. This is one of them.